Welcome to IT Club in tutorial number 3 of HTML5 series. Today I will let you know about lists, how we can make lists in an HTML page. There are three types of lists: unordered list, ordered list, and the definition list. So in unordered list there are different types. In unordered list, the list items will use plain bullets, and the bullets can be square, disc, and circle. And in ordered list we can use one capital A, small a, Roman I, small, and Roman I capital. So first we will learn here about the unordered list. We write here UL unordered list. We have its opening tag and its closing tag. We will write anything, any data, unordered list of vegetables: beetroot, ginger, potato, radish, and we will write it in the list tag, li, list tag. So the next one is ordered list. Ordered, ol, ordered list. It also have opening tag and as well as closing tag. So we will write it in list li, list tag li, and also it has a closing tag and up to so on. So its type will be 1 2 3, and it will start from 5. I can type here 8 9 2 3, anything I can do. It will start from 6 7 8 and 9. The next one is definition list. This was the definition list. This arranges your items in the way as they are arranged in a dictionary. So we will learn it when we will run it on the tag. So it is the definition tag dt. It is a closed tag. It will be definition heading. So HTML, it will also bold because I have applied the bold tag over there. It will be definition data dt. So it is IT club. So, and it will be written in DL, definition list tag. DT you have to learn it, and DD you also have to learn it. It will use for heading and it will use for data. So I will now save it, Control S, and I have saved it somewhere else. This is lists. I will right click it, open with Firefox. Here we go. Unordered list of vegetables. It is of square. Order list, as I mentioned earlier, it is started from 6 7 8 9. So it is the heading HTML, and it is its definition as we used to see in the dictionary, and it is ID club, and it is its definition. Now I can also change its type. We can start it from capital A. I can give it it was square. I can give it disc, disc, disc. I will save it, Control S. I can also do something. I can copy it, Control C, Control V, Control S. Now I will refresh it. Here we go. It is started as I given here. It is disk. You can check it. It is disk. It is starting from F because I have mentioned here it will start from the 6. If I start here, start from 1, Control S. Now it will start from the index of the alphabetical order, Control S. As you can check, A, B, C, and D. So it was about the image. Now we will learn next about the table, how we can create a table in HTML. Table, we create a table have an opening tag and have a closing tag. Here we go. In this way, this is the table opening tag and it is the table closing tag. So it is the caption that will be heading of the table, that will be shown above the table. It will be the heading in the very first row: name, t-head class, t-head roll number. As I also have commented here that it is table heading. Now it is given in table row. Next one is the, now that was the first row, that is the second row. TD row span, we can span row up to 2 cells, 3 cells. We will discuss it later on, let it null. So that is the phenomena of the table. So we can also give it to some properties, to some attribute, some attributes to the table. So I have copied that, I will paste it here. The border of the table will be 1 pixel, so I can increase it 3. It will be cell spacing, that how much space is between the cells, that is 5 pixel. Sorry, it was cell padding, that how much padding we want to create in cells. I mean, what is the distance between the border and the text of the cell, that is 5 pixel. Cell spacing, cell to cell distance is 5 pixel. Border color, that is green, that is here on the next line, green. Background color, that is yellow. Width of the table will be 400 pixel and height will be 150 pixel. You can also change it, there is no any problem. So I will save it, Control S, and now I will open it here. This is the table, right click it, open with Firefox, and here we go. This is the table. If you want to see it, I can let you know its border is green, you can check. Okay, this is the table heading, name, class, and the roll number. This was the caption, this was the row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, and row 1 column 3. It is basically row 2, not row 1, but that is heading, so we can use it as row 1. So now I will insert some data here in it for your further collaboration. For your further understanding, I will insert some data here. I will just copy these rows, Control C. Now you can check that how many rows have been created. So in very first row, here we can write the name, Ali. It was class 2. It was roll number. I'm just typing the data of first row in first column as per given heading, 56. I will Control S, I will say. After refreshing it, we can see that we have here name, Ali, John, Jenny, and their classes are given and their roll number are given here. So we can make a changing to the table as we want. So the next one is image.html. How we can use image in our HTML tag, in our HTML page, sorry. So here is image tag, it is its syntax, img image, src source, and here we will write the image URL, that where our image is placed. So here are the attributes, attribute list. As we apply it on the table, we can also apply it on the image as well. So it is, so make sure that the image should be at the same place where you are saving this HTML document. So I have placed it, so I have saved it on the desktop. So my image is also, the image is here, WordPress security.png. Its extension, we can check it. This is the image. This is the image. I can right click it, properties, and here is its extension .png, and it is its name. We can copy from here and we can paste it as it is. So I will save it, Control S, and this is the alt text. If image is not shown, then this text will be shown at the place of image. So I will open it in a new window. Here this is image, right click, open with Firefox. Yeah, this is the image that I was willing to show here. So it was HTML table, it was image. So next we will learn about the image links. We can also apply image, we can also apply links on the image. So we can also apply image as I mentioned earlier. So it has a different way. We'll use anchor tag a. It have no, it also has a closing tag, anchor opening, it is anchor closing. So I will give the href, http address of the website where I want to redirect this web page when someone will click on this image. So I use the same image. When we will click on that image, then it will move towards the google.com. So it has also different targets, that where it can open, it can open in a new window. If I use blank here, target equal to blank, self, it will open in its self, parent, it will open in the parent of the window. If I use top, it will open in the body. I will control as, save it, and then I will open it. Image link I have saved with this name. I have saved with this name, Firefox. That is the image. When I will click over here, then it will move towards the Google, because I have given a link of google.com behind it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and also to support me, you can subscribe my channel, you can share, you can comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video.